Welcome back to Grand Adventure. I'm your host, Mark Guido, and we are in Quartzsite, Arizona for the Q26 RV Rally. Come along. This episode of Grand Adventure is sponsored by etrailer.com, where you'll find thousands of products for RVing, towing, camping, outdoor recreation, vehicles, boating, and more. Click the link in the video description or scan the code on your screen to shop etrailer.com with Grand Adventure. Q26 was this year's incarnation of the annual RV rally that we co-host in the Arizona desert each January. Time to coincide with the Big Ten RV show in Quartzsite, officially named the Quartzsite Sports Vacation and RV Show. Held each year in the BLM's Posa South long-term visitor area, located just south of Quartzsite. It's a gathering of like-minded RVers looking for a loosely structured rally to circle around the campfire, make new friends, and reconnect with old ones. Just because the Q26 RV Rally is loosely structured, however, doesn't mean that it lacks fun events for all in attendance. Several potlucks throughout the week gave participants an opportunity to serve their own unique culinary specialties in fun group dinners. We'll show you some of the other fun activities from Q26, spread across the surrounding Sonoran Desert, right after we take a brief moment for an important message from our valued video sponsor, eTrailer. Whether you need products for your RV, boat, trailer, vehicle, hunting and fishing, off-roading, and more, our video sponsor eTrailer has you covered. Best of all, you'll find over 100 US-based enthusiast customer service reps ready to help via phone, chat, or email, both before and after the sale. These folks have used themselves the products that you're shopping for, and you won't find a more knowledgeable team anywhere to help you with your outdoor project. Click the link in the video description or scan the code on your screen to shop etrailer.com with Grand Adventure. The week also featured several fascinating short hikes, including one in nearby Palm Canyon in the spectacular Kofa National Wildlife Refuge. Here, a short hike leads to a beautiful view of the only known stand of native California fan palm trees to exist in Arizona. Nearby Palm Canyon, the spiral Labyrinth made a fun detour that left us all dizzy. We'll be right back with even more from the Q26 RV Rally in Quartzsite, right after a quick ad break to pay the bills. So stay tuned. That's very pink.
Very pink. The plants on first, and I was like, what am I going to put?
Another hike led to the top of Q Mountain with wonderful views stretching out across the town of Quartzsite, the RV show, and the broad expanse of the Sonoran Desert. Rally attendee Scott Tant led an all-day side-by-side trail ride for those with UTVs and those who rented one in town. Of course, the Quartzsite Sports Vacation and RV show was taking place all week, just a couple of miles down the road, highlighted by a massive RV content creator meet and greet to connect with our fans. We hope that you've enjoyed attending Q26 virtually with us. We were already beginning the planning for Q27, coming up in January of 2027, so perhaps you'd like to join us in person for next year's edition. We hope that you've enjoyed this episode of Grand Adventure. If you did, please be sure to give us a huge thumbs up down below. And while you're down below, that's where you'll find the comments section, where we'd love to hear from you each and every week, because we premiere new RV-centric outdoor videos each and every Wednesday. So if you're not yet a Grand Adventurer yourself, there is no better time than right now for you to go smash that little subscribe button located right down there and ring that notification bell to be sure that you never miss a grand adventure. We'd also be honored if you shared the channel with your friends, family, and on social media. So until next Wednesday, please remember life is nothing but a grand adventure. We'll see you then.